Hey, welcome back. What's up? In this video, we are looking for a unit vector. Okay, talking about a unit vector. You're finding, all right? Okay, we're having an example of vector v, and we want to find its, unit vector and everything. Okay, so per definition, a unit vector. The unit vector of this vector v, it's a vector that points in the same direction as the given vector as v. Okay, and it has a magnitude or length equals 1. Okay, equals to 1. Okay, um, sorry, equals to 1. And that actually means that this value here, absolute value, this is magnitude equals to 1. Okay, now we have an example here. We're taking two examples to try to understand. We are in a two-dimensional, right, vectors. Okay, that is the first one. In the first vector, so the information here, oh, I haven't finished doing it here. And the standard formula of the finding a unit vector of the vector, this vector v here, for example, would be you having this, the third thing we have to write. You have to have 1 over the absolute value, the magnitude of v times the vector itself. Okay, that's what we need. So first of all, we need to know that it points in the same direction as the vector, and we have to find its magnitude and then write this formula to define its unit vector. Okay, for the first example, what we first get to do is to find its magnitude, by doing this. Actually, finding the magnitude is like, let us just draw this vector. Okay, the first vector could be drawn like this. So it is said 3i, so we're having 3 on the direction of I. Let me just put it like this. 3i going this way, 3i. That's the vector. That's the x component of the vector. Okay. All right. Then I'm gonna put here. This is 3. Okay. And as we've seen by adding and subtracting vectors, I'm going to take the other vector, which is 4j, put this tail on the head of uh, of right here, and then draw it. All right, and this other vector I'm putting right here, and draw 4. That is 4. Okay, it's not that good, but for something like this. All right. Okay. Okay. And this is the vector. Let me just go. This is 4. Okay, let me put the value on the value there. I'm having 4 here, and here I'm having 3. All right. In our resultant, because in our resultant is then this vector, combining or connecting both vector that I've drawn right now. This is right here. Okay, and this is our vector v we are talking about right now. Our vector v goes this way. Okay, and this is the resultant of those two vectors. As you can see, we're having in Pythagoras, this is like a square angle. I got a square angle here, 90 degrees. Of course, if you want to find v here, the length of v, the magnitude of v, is definitely v to the square to the 2 equals to 3 to the 2 plus 4 to the 2. Okay, so you can square root it. It gives you v equals to the square root of 3 to the 2 plus 4 to the 2. And that's what we're doing here by finding the magnitude or the length of the vector. So actually the length of our vector v here, because this is giving us a 9 plus 1625, it is 5. The length is 5. Okay, this is the length of our vector 5 right here. All right, now its unit vector will be looking like this. According to this formula right here, we will write um, 1, the unit vector of this is 1 over 5. Okay, that's what we said. 1 over its magnitude times the vector itself, and the vector itself is 3 and 4. I mean, you can write like this, 3 and 4, or you can write it in the matrix or something like that, 3 or 4, or even 3i plus 4j, okay, something like that. Okay, but or this is its unit vector. And what is that? We said that the unit vector points in the same direction as the given vector. Okay, so it's going to be pointing in this direction here, right? And has a magnitude equals to 1. All right, so let's see 1/5. So we're having the vector A has 5 units, but the unit vector is only one of that, 1/5. It's correct. That's what we said. So we're going to put our unit vector here, saying that if we first divide this here by 5, so that this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I mean, it's not that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, something like that. Of course, our unit vector will be this vector right here, from here to there. That's our unit vector. Okay, you can even put it maybe a different color to make it more visible. What color would be suitable here? Let me get a, okay, get a, all right, you can even make it bold, you know. Okay, and that's our unit vector. So we can call it, it is 1/5 of v. Okay, so in the next video we're gonna do, because we can do this next video, we're gonna do this other example and move forward to three-dimensional vectors. Okay, thank you for watching again, guys. Until next time, bye bye.